ধন্যবাদ আমাদের
কালী নবদ্বীপ যাওয়া
নিরুপম দা এলাকা very popular person among the elite society. He is a renowned writer and recently he got a very big achievement regarding his poems are published in 1000 years
2000
years Kobita Sankalan published from Kolkata. It's our Nirupam da is proud of our society. Best wishes for his more prosperous and bright future. Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ না রে তার লোক এখন বকলি দিওগির ফটো
Our international level social media content creator respected Nirupam da is giving us live telecast. He is a renowned writer. He got a big achievement. He got chance to publish his poem in 1000 years, compilation of poems from Kolkata. So it is a proud moment of our society. Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ